Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sagarika and I hope you all are doing great. So on today's video, I'm going to share with you all some tips and techniques on how to achieve this look out here in just 5 minutes. Yes, you heard me right, just 5 minutes. And I'm not bluffing you around because the duration of this video might be a little longer than 5 minutes, but that is because I'm talking, right? But if I do this makeup without talking, it just takes me 5 minutes. And this makeup look is so simple, guys, that anyone can do it. Even if you're just a beginner, even you can do this. It's so simple. But to know how to achieve this simple look, you must watch this video till the end, right? So please do watch this video till the end and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you happen to achieve this look, then please do mention me in my Instagram handle. And also, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do. That will mean so much to me. And yeah, without further ado, let's quickly jump into this video. Before starting your makeup, please clean your face. It's very important. Makeup should always be done in a clean face, a clean surface, right? So I have already washed my face, but I will be using a toner now, and this is the Biotique Morning Nectar. Now, before proceeding with any other step, let it sit onto your skin properly. And meanwhile, it soaks the product into the skin. I will be shaping my brows. So since this video is for people who are in a hurry, you don't need to do much with brows here, okay? Just fill in the gaps, give it a natural look, and that's it. Just fill in the gaps. I'm looking into the screen, but please do not mind for that, and that is because I don't really have a mirror right now, okay, in front of me, so I'm just looking into the screen to get a view of how things are looking. Now I will be taking my moisturizer. Doesn't matter what your skin type is, but you must apply a moisturizer. Even oily skin people should apply moisturizer, and when you drench your face with moisturizer, the effect that it gives, it's so beautiful. The glass effect that everyone keeps on looking for can be achieved only by applying a moisturizer, okay? And if you do your makeup on a very dry surface, it will crack up. This is one of the first makeup blunder that I ever committed, and trust me guys, it's a lesson, it's a life lesson. Never apply foundation, BB cream or anything onto bare face. Moisturize your face thoroughly. Let your skin be drenched completely, okay? So the moisturizer is done. And also guys, I'm skipping to moisturize my lips now, but also moisturize your lips with Vaseline, Borolin, anything that you have. I don't have a Vaseline in front of me right now. I have to go to another room to fetch it, so I'm skipping this step, okay? I will be moving on with the foundation. So you want to use a foundation, use it. If you want to use a BB cream, use it. It's all your call. So I'm taking this bit. Now this foundation has a very great coverage. Now if you're in a hurry, you can literally use your finger to apply it onto your face, but yeah, I'm just using a beauty blender because I love the effect that it gives, okay? But if I'm in a hurry, I usually skip this. I even usually skip the foundation. I just apply a BB cream, guys. But that's why I say that it's your call. If you want to use a BB cream, go ahead and use a BB cream. If you want to use a foundation, go ahead and use a foundation. It's just that I really wanted this video to be based on some foundation, and that's the reason I'm using a foundation. So it's done. Now I'm not looking for a high coverage look, okay? I just want my look to be really natural, and that's why I'll leave it just as it is, okay? I won't apply a concealer. And now I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me compact powder and apply it on my under eye. Now guys, do not just apply this product on your under eye, apply it all over your face, little by little, okay? You don't need to apply too much of it, but apply it because you need to set your face. Otherwise, you know, if you wear the mask, because it's corona time, if you wear the mask, it will just transfer into your mask, or you know, the foundation would just start shifting apart and stuff like that. You won't love the effect, guys. So just set your face completely with the compact powder. Or if you have a setting spray, go ahead and use a setting spray, but set your face. If you do not want your makeup to transfer, that's it. Done. So the base is done, guys. See, it's so easy. Now I'm taking this Nykaa blush. It's the Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo, and in the shade Mallibu Barbie 03. Now this blush already has some glitter infused in it, okay? So I don't want to go ahead and use another highlighter for that purpose. As I said, I want to keep this look very natural like, but although using this blush will give a little extra definition, but it's your call. Now if you don't want to use this, you can use a pink lipstick or a lip tint or anything of that sort if you want a very natural look, but today I will be going ahead with this and apply it. That's it. Now I'll take the same floral shade out here and apply it on my eyelid. As it is dedicated to a very like hurry look, you won't have time to apply a eyeshadow, so just apply it onto your eyelids very roughly. Done. That's it. Now I will be applying some mascara to just lift up my eyes a little bit. This is how it looks as of now, and now I'll just amp up the look a little bit more by using a lipstick, and for that purpose I will be using, so it's the Nykaa's Mini Make lipstick, and it's in the shade 16M. So it's a very like nudish kind of color, okay, like very nudish kind of color. And now I will be taking the Nykaa's Walk lipstick. It's a very floral shaded lipstick, and top it up a little bit. So that's it guys, thank you for watching this video, and I hope that this video turned out helpful to you guys. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you soon. Take care, stay safe, and lots of love to you guys. Bye.